How to fix the problem of complete setup on Google Play Store. Hello everyone, my name is Smile. So if you're ever having a problem of complete setup on your Google Play Store and apps are being automatically installed on your device, then I will show you how you can solve this very problem of yours. So if you are ever having this problem, first of all visit the Google Play Store. So after visiting the Google Play Store, just long press on it and you will see there is an eye icon right on the right side. After tapping on it, scroll down, you will see the very option of storage. Tap on the storage option. Now clear all the data and clear all the cache if you ever see that problem. And after clearing all the data and cache, just force stop it for a while, restart your phone and again open your Google Play Store. And now you should not see this problem anymore. But if you again see this problem, then I would suggest you to contact the support of Google Play Store. But that might not be the problem because this method will surely solve your problem. So I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then please do hit the thumbs up and subscribe button and also comment in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.